Friends, Running Kimono here. We are talking about the best paper deals over at Walgreens for the week of June the 7th to the 13th. If there's one thing that I'm stocking up if I have extra register rewards or Walgreens cash, it's definitely paper. Lots of stores are starting to increase prices on items, and I just think it's a smart thing to be stocking up on. Speaking of saving big money, the Dollar General will be hosting their clearance event starting on Friday the 12th, right to the 18th, which is the following week. I made a video basically walking you through how to get organized for this event. It's linked at the very end. Even if you're an avid pharmacy shopper, I think it's time to go to the Dollar General and start making some of these deals happen. Okay, deal number one. We are in store for this one. We're going to be grabbing two of the Scott's 1000, price at $10.99. I think the original price is like $13, and at like Home Depot it's almost $15 for this exact product. We have a $3 register reward when you buy two, but no digital coupons to go with this deal. So grabbing two of these at $10.99 a pop, that is $21.98. Pay $20 in Walgreens cash if you're doing this without a booster. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $18.98 for the two or $9.49 per pack. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. You can use your Walgreens cash to earn that register reward. But if you wanted to do a $60 basket, this would basically be 1/3 of the $60. So it would be a really great item to throw into the mix if you wanted to. I know a lot of people love Scott's 1000. It really lasts a long time. Unfortunately, there is no digital coupons to go with this deal, but if you might have register rewards from Colgate or Garnier that you want to throw in to get a smaller out of pocket, because let's be real, $21.98, I kind of want to not be happy with that. It's just a lot out of pocket. So I would recommend throwing something else in or getting creative with your deal. The next deal that we're looking at is a mix and match of the P&G paper products at $5.49. Make sure when you're in store, you're grabbing the right ones that are tagged. Don't go in and grab whatever you feel like, because that's how you get a nice little surprise at checkout. My understanding is that there are dollar digital coupons to go with three of the items. I did the Puffs deal on Sunday, so I can't see with the digital coupon anymore. But what I can see is that there's dollar coupons attaching to the $5.49 products. I wanted to get that larger box of Puffs yesterday, so I went and did that on both mine and my husband's card. But you can see we have dollar digitals that are attaching to the $5.49 products. Of course, open up your app and scan barcodes to ensure that digital coupons are scanning, because you don't want a neat little surprise at checkout. Nobody does. So the overall total here, grabbing an assortment of the P&G paper products, is $21.96. Subtracting three, you might possibly have $4 in digitals. With the three, you would pay $18.96. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $13.96 for the four or $3.49 per product. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but this is a good assortment. You have facial tissue, you have paper towel, two different types of toilet paper. You have a nice assortment of items, so I would definitely do this deal, especially if you're a newer couponer trying to build your stockpile with fancier paper products. And remember, register reward deals are in-store only. So that's why we're doing this in-store. Curbside, you will not get the register rewards. That is an in-store promotion only, because they want you in the store. Deal number three, for this one, we're going to be grabbing two of the very fancy Bounty paper towels. I think on a non-sales week, these are like $9.99 each, and these are massive rolls of paper towel if you flip them. $6.99, $3 reward when you buy two. Currently, we have $1 digital that's attaching to this friend, so load this coupon. So two bounties will be $13.98. Subtracting that dollar digital, you're going to pay $12.98. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $9.98 for the two or $4.99. If you consider the full price of this specific item, it's like $9.99 for one. It's basically like a BOGO free after the coupon and the register reward. Again, if you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. You can spend it to earn your register reward. Deal number 4. For this one, we're going to grab an assortment, this massive, impressive 16 count of the Angel Soft for $10.99. The promotion is when you buy 2 and you can get an assortment of items, you're going to get back a $5 register reward. This lasts a really long time, this one. We have a couple in our house, and they've been in this one spare bathroom for like at least 6 months. And also, this Quilted Northern has a $1.50 digital. And as you can see on the left, that is the promotion that when you buy 2 of these products, you get back a $5 register reward. Currently, for this friend, we have a $1.50 digital. Now, I used mine a couple weeks back, so that's why it says redeemed. But they didn't give us a new one. It's just like if you loaded it, I think like a week and a half ago or something like that. Grabbing, say, an assortment of 2 of these, or if you wanted to go with 2 Quilted, you could do that as well. It's $21.98. Subtracting the $1.50 digital, you're going to pay $20.48. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $15.48 for the 2, or $7.74 per unit of paper. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. But even as I was saying, if you wanted to do like a $60 basket, this would be a third of it at $21.98. So just something to think about. And let me know in the comments down below if you might have an Angel Soft coupon. I certainly didn't. Okay, so this final deal is with the Walgreens brand paper towel. Toilet paper is not included. It is the paper towel. We have a $1.50 digital, which is a store digital, meaning if you did this deal last week, you can actually go and reload it again. You would go under households in your digital coupons folder, and then it should be itemized at the top. You would just press the load button and you can use it a second time. And I recommend not to do this deal in store, but to do it curbside, meaning you're ordering this stuff through the app, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, because we can use a discount code with this that's saving basically, I think, almost like just under $5. So it makes it a little bit more advantageous, and I'll show you that in a second. So throwing 7 of these into a cart, that's $35. Using the code June 15th, $3.71 melting off. So you're basically getting 1 for free. Sorry guys, I thought it was like 4 or 5, but it's $3.71. You're basically getting 1 for free. And then that $1.50 coupon is subtracting $10.50. So it's $1.50 times 7. That's how the math is getting reconciled there. The overall total for your basket is $35, subtracting $14.21 with June 15th and that store coupon. Tax $22.04. You know, personally, I would use $20 in Walgreens cash, pay $2.04, get to the store soon, because 7 of those paper towels takes quite a bit of room, but it's definitely a way to stock up, especially if you are a newer couponer and you want to build your stockpile, and who doesn't love paper towel? Now, with that $1.50 store coupon, it's not only limited to the paper towel, but if you wanted to get disposable plates, I guess the Walgreens brand Solo cups, those red cups, the paper cups for your bathroom as well. I saw those. We also have the paper cold cups, the bathroom cups. Those are the ones I'm talking about. 100 for $5. That's not bad. And more hot beverage cups and more of the Solos. That $1.50 is also attaching. So if you want to mix and match, feel free, especially if you're hosting a party for the 4th. You're probably going to need some of this stuff. Closing off this video, the $8.79 puffs, which is the 4 counter, is $6.99. It's not part of the $5.49 promotion of buy 4, get a $5 register reward. This is its own thing. We have a $1 coupon attaching, making it $5.99 for a product that's usually like just under $9. I loaded up on this one because using a bit of Walgreens cash or a register reward, this is a product people are always asking for. I don't really have in my stockpile, so I definitely got a couple of those. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Dollar General video linked right here. Check it out. Bye, guys.